So I just wanted to do like a quick little video. I wish I would have did a DIY, but I did these beforehand. But these are the easiest wreaths to make. These are, I made all these with all you need is a 9-foot garland from Walmart. It's like $2.76. They're like super cheap. And you take the garland and you cut it up into circles, and then you just take the bottom and like attach the other branch to each other. And then basically you get this. I just added cinnamon sticks and real pine cones I found, but if you see how I just, these are the easiest wreaths to make and they're so cute. Like I could have did more fancy, but I didn't have lots of ribbon on hand, but really cute idea if you're looking for an idea for some kitchen wreaths instead of paying, you know, $10 a piece for them, because they are pretty pricey, and I feel like why when you can just make your own. So I figured I'd post this video. I will try to put in the description box everything I used, and like I said, all you need is a 9-foot garland. You can get it from Walmart. They're like $3. That's where I got all of mine from, or you could go to Joann's, Michael's, wherever. Just grab you a garland. All you gotta do is cut it up into pieces. I made, let's see, 5 wreaths out of one 9-foot garland. So really easy. And then I just literally took pine cones from outside, grabbed some cinnamon sticks from Walmart for, I don't know, $5, $6. And then all you gotta do is just grab some ribbon and some twine if you have some. So yeah. So I just figured I'd film this real quick, and I'll put all the supplies in the description box below. Thanks, guys.